That heart-healthy oil in your kitchen? It's fueling chronic inflammation in your gut right now. Here's what they're not telling you. You're doing everything right. You swapped butter for vegetable oil. You choose sugar-free snacks. You eat whole wheat bread. But you still deal with bloating, gas, and that constant digestive discomfort. And honestly, the contradictory advice is exhausting. Here's the truth. Most gut damage happens through three mechanisms: chronic inflammation, leaky gut, and microbial imbalance. And in this video, I'm breaking down 4 surprising ways modern, healthy foods trigger these problems. Let's dive in. The vegetable oil deception. Number 1. Your heart-healthy vegetable oil is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Here's something wild. Industrial seed oils like canola, corn, and soybean oil were never meant to be food. In the late 1800s, Procter & Gamble took cottonseed oil, literal toxic waste from cotton production, chemically altered it to resemble lard, and created Crisco for soap making. Now think about this. Our ancestors ate a 1-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fats. Today, that ratio is 20-to-1, sometimes worse. It's like trying to run a car designed for premium fuel on diluted gasoline mixed with chemicals. Here's your fix. Swap those industrial oils for stable, traditional fats. Extra virgin olive oil for dressings. Coconut oil or avocado oil for cooking. Grass-fed butter or ghee for flavor. These fats don't oxidize into toxic compounds when heated, and they don't trigger that inflammatory cascade in your gut. Make this one swap, and within weeks, you'll notice less bloating and more stable energy. Your gut will actually thank you. The sugar-free trap. Number 2. Those sugar-free foods you're choosing to be healthy. They're sabotaging your metabolism from the inside. Research shows artificial sweeteners like sucralose and saccharin don't just pass through harmlessly. They alter your gut microbiome, decreasing the good bacteria that keep you healthy. But here's the most mind-blowing part. These zero-calorie sweeteners can actually cause glucose intolerance, the exact metabolic problem they're marketed to prevent. Imagine hiring a security guard to protect your house, only to find out they're letting intruders in through the back door. The fix: eliminate or drastically reduce artificial sweeteners. If you need sweetness, go for natural sources from whole foods, raw honey, dates, yakin syrup, or pure stevia leaf, not the processed stuff with added fillers. Your taste buds will recalibrate in about 2 weeks, and you'll start craving these processed sweeteners less. Your gut bacteria will rebalance, your cravings will stabilize, and you'll break free from that metabolic confusion. Quick pause. If you're ready to take back control of your gut health with science-backed strategies like these, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop new research-backed health hacks every single week. Alright, let's keep going. The gluten gut bomb. Number 3. Gluten might be affecting your gut barrier, even if you don't have celiac disease. Let me explain this simply. Your intestinal lining is like a fortress wall with guards stationed at every gate. These are called tight junctions. They control what gets into your bloodstream. Gluten contains a protein fragment called gliadin. When you eat it, gliadin triggers the release of a protein called zonulin in everyone, not just people with celiac disease. Zonulin essentially tells those guards to step aside and open the gates. Suddenly, unwanted particles, undigested food, toxins, bacteria slip through into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation. Even if you don't have diagnosed celiac disease, consider reducing gluten from wheat, barley, and rye. Replace them with naturally gluten-free whole foods like quinoa, rice, sweet potatoes, and gluten-free oats. You don't have to go extreme. Just experiment with a 2-week reduction and notice how your body responds. Most people report less bloating, clearer skin, and better mental clarity within days of reducing gluten. Your gut barrier gets a chance to heal. Alcohol's hidden gut attack. Number 4. Alcohol isn't just damaging your liver, it's waging war on your gut microbiome first. A massive Finnish study of over 4,500 people revealed exactly how alcohol destroys gut health. High alcohol consumption significantly lowered bacterial diversity, killed off beneficial species like lactobacillus, and increased pro-inflammatory bacteria. Think of alcohol as a chemical bomb dropped on a thriving city. It doesn't discriminate, it kills the good citizens along with any bad actors. Then it damages the city walls, allowing toxins called endotoxins to escape into your bloodstream and attack your liver. The fix is straightforward: limit alcohol consumption. When you do drink, support your gut by loading up on fiber-rich foods and fermented foods in the days surrounding it. Your gut needs that extra defense. Consider alcohol-free alternatives for social situations: kombucha, sparkling water with fresh herbs, herbal mocktails. You can still enjoy social connection without the gut damage. You'll sleep better, wake up without that foggy feeling, and your gut will have the breathing room it needs to rebuild its defense system. The power of feeding your gut. The most important one, gut health, isn't just about avoiding bad foods. You must actively feed the good bacteria you want to thrive. A groundbreaking study swapped the diets of rural South Africans eating high-fiber traditional foods with African Americans eating a typical Western diet. After just 2 weeks, the African American group eating high-fiber foods saw a dramatic drop in colon inflammation and a huge increase in butyrate, a compound that protects against cancer. Think of your gut bacteria as a garden. You can pull out all the weeds you want, but if you don't plant good seeds and give them water and nutrients, nothing will grow. Fiber is that water and those nutrients. Here's your action plan. 3 categories of foods to eat daily. 1. Prebiotic fiber foods that feed good bacteria: onions, garlic, asparagus, leeks, bananas, whole oats, and legumes. 2. Probiotic fermented foods that introduce beneficial bacteria: kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, kombucha, and unsweetened yogurt. And 3. Polyphenol-rich foods that act as antioxidants: berries, dark chocolate, apples, green tea, and coffee. Within days, you'll notice better digestion. Within weeks, clearer skin, more energy, better mood. Your gut responds that quickly when you give it the right fuel. Let's bring this home. True gut health isn't about perfection or following every diet trend. It's about understanding these 4 key principles. Ditch the industrial seed oils for traditional fats. Eliminate artificial sweeteners. Reduce gluten to heal your gut barrier. Limit alcohol's destructive impact. And most importantly, actively feed your beneficial bacteria with fiber, fermented foods, and polyphenols. The trillions of microbes in your gut are your most powerful health ally, but only if you give them what they need to thrive. If this video gave you clarity, smash that like button, it helps more people discover this information. And drop a comment, which of these 4 surprised you the most? Now you know what's been destroying your gut. The question is, how do you actually heal it? That's exactly what I cover in the next video, Heal Your Gut Naturally, a beginner's guide. It's your complete, science-backed healing protocol designed for beginners. Click through now and keep the momentum going. Your gut transformation starts today.